Hi everybody, today is still from Rita's unboxing model of the wristwatches, the brand from NAVIFORCE. Here is the puzzle we received from the AliExpress. Okay, now let's open it. Hi, here comes the watches of case. We can see here is the NAVIFORCE logo and professional waterproof. The brand they always do the waterproof watches for 380 M. Okay, let's pull it out. It's a little tight. Wow, it's a little heavy. Here is the outer case. We put on side, and here we got the inside case. It's still with the NAVIFORCE logo and the brand professional waterproof. And the back side is the made in China. Okay, let's open it. Yes, we can find he have a very nice protection here. And then we can see there is a cleaning clothes. We open it. It's soft and also with the NAVIFORCE logos and the website www.naviforce.com. Okay, put here. And the second one is the guarantee card. Yes, there is a 1-year guarantee card. Okay. And the third one is the movement instruction manual. Let's open it. Wow, we can see that there are so many different languages we can find in this menu. English, Spanish, Portuguese, and Arabic. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 languages on one side, and the back side here you can see French, and the Russian, and the Dutch, and also the final is the Chinese. Okay, there all it's 8 language, 8 different languages you can find. Okay, we put it. And the next one is this one it's the gel for dry here. And here is the main link. The watches. Wow, black watches. Very nice, the black, and it is the what color I like. Let's put it on my hand. Oh, remember one thing. Here we can see the pin, the white pin here. There is a white pin here. We need to put it out, then the watch it can work. See this one. Put it out and put it on. Then the watch can work. We know this is a multifunctional watches. And the special functions I like is here. I push this button and it gets really nice. The light on LCD light. Here is a LCD light, and you can keep 3 seconds. The light is on 3 seconds. And other buttons you can to check the menu how to adjust each function. Here we can see we find the English here. Here is the function introduction, how many functions this watches have, and functions mode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here have 5 functions about this 9153 models. It have 5 models. It's normal model, and the stopwatch mode, and alarm mode, alarm clock mode, and the countdown mode, and dual time in 2 places. Yes, we can set 2 places, different places time in these multifunction watches. Okay, we can use this clothes to clean our watches. The glasses is really clear and transparency. And also this is a Milanese strap. It's very soft and very easy to fit our arm. And we can see here is the model number NF9153 is the model number, and the logo here. And also the Milanese strap is very easy to adjust. We can find hard objects, something like this. You can adjust this because this is a man watches and I'm the woman, so the strap is very large, and I have to adjust the length. It's very easy to adjust here. Here we can see it is a hole here, and pin it on. Then you can see the buckle is very easy to move. You can adjust the length first of your wrist length. Then for me, I need to push the last 2 one. Yeah, the last 2 one. Here we can see it have a 1, 2, 3 this small buckle. Okay. Then this is my length, the length of my wrist. Wow, so cool, the black. I like the black one, the black color. So nice. No? Wow. Not only for men, for women it's also very, very cool and handsome, and it's a multifunction new wristwatch. And we can see here we can adjust the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and the right side is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And here is the date, and here is the time. you also can adjust. If you want to know how to adjust the time or date, next video I can show you how to adjust this function. Okay, and this is the specifications about this wristwatch. And also we can see this is a 3 ATM waterproof watches, and we can find there are more than 5 colors you can choose. Okay, if you want to know more about it, please let me know. See you.